Hey everybody, so the other day my laptop broke down and I decided to get a replacement laptop, which is this one right here. It's an HP Elitebook G8. It's an i5 11th generation chip, 16 gigs of RAM. It's got minimal storage, only I think 128 gig hard drive or something like that. But I've got an external drive right there as well, high capacity with 1 terabyte available. Anyhow, I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing because I bought a couple of DACs to go along with that computer. And this is the first one right here. This is a Fosi Audio, or Fosi Audio, F-O-S-I Audio ZD3 or ZD3 DAC. So this thing is fairly highly touted online for a budget DAC, so I thought I'd give it a try. So let's take a look. The box is pretty nice. I don't like how Amazon puts the label right on top of the box itself over the images, but that's all right. Looks like this is nicely packaged here. Protective foam. Here's the DAC here. It's got an instruction manual to go along with it. Looks fairly detailed. It has whatever cords and cables are required, a switching power supply, which apparently is not the greatest in the world, but might replace that when the time comes. And it's got its USB A to B connector as well. Now the item itself, it's a little bit bigger than I thought, but it does look quite nice. I'm a little iffy. I was a little iffy on the looks of it, but from what I've seen in images online, but it looks quite nice actually. Now we'll see how this guy performs in the new setup. I've also purchased a Fiio K11 R2R DAC, which I'm also going to unbox in just a moment, and then we're going to compare the two over the weekend and see which one stays and which one goes. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that for now, and we'll see you in the next one.